Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make TikTok use less data. When you're not connected to Wi-Fi and enable the data saver feature, TikTok starts using less mobile data and consequently videos will take longer to load and you will see them at a lower resolution. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to your TikTok profile tab and press on the three dots icon in the upper right corner. After that, scroll down until you see the Data Saver section and hit to open it. Now toggle the slider to the right side in order to turn on the Data Saver feature. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make TikTok use less data. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.